Hey everyone, we're at the Las Vegas Convention Center at the AWFS Fair, where we have dedicated almost half of our booth to our kitchen island legs, table legs, and all of our various leg selections available. You can come take a look at everything that we have. We have a bunch of our legs shown in different wood types, and we also have a display available right here showing our 15 different standard wood type options that you can get just about any of our legs in. We have them available in everything from maple and oak and knotty pine to some more unique wood types like rustic alder and then also western red cedar. So be sure to come visit us at booth 3123 at the Las Vegas Convention Center at the AWFS Fair. See you there!